Yes, in the previous classes, we started our discussion with the chapter Matter Around Us. And in this chapter, we have gone through the different states of matter and a few properties. And in today's class, we are going to discuss, or we are going to understand about the compressibility. Okay, compressibility. And in tomorrow's class, we will understand about diffusion. Okay, we will understand about diffusion. So let us understand about compressibility. About compressibility. Now, I have a solid with me, a water bottle. Now, if I apply pressure on this, it is not going to be compressed. It is not going to be compressed, right? But what about liquids? Do the liquids have compressibility? We discussed the properties that liquids and gases have compressibility. Liquids and gases have compressibility. So let us understand, right, by performing an activity, right? I asked every one of you to hold a pillow or a sponge, right, or a big pillow or a small one. Okay, so if possible, you can on the video, or else I may pick up anyone. Let me go with. Okay, Sahasra have all the things. Very good. Okay, ma. I'll give you a chance. Okay. Meanwhile, let me go to Sai Srihita. Sai Srihita. Sai Srihita. Okay, or else P. Shruti. Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you have sponge or pillow.
I took a balloon, sir.
Now
I have pillow also, sir.
Yeah, I'm going for the solid one. Yeah, pillow, please. Right? You show the pillow. Take out the balloon and show the pillow to everyone, right? Now, every one of you observe the Shruti, right? Observe Shruti. She has a pillow which is having a particular shape, right? It has a particular shape. Now, if it is a solid, right? When you apply pressure on it, just check out, is it compressed or not? Those who are having the materials also, please try out, right? So if you observe Shruti, right, she is able to compress the solid one. She is able to compress the solid one. Generally, the solids do not have compressibility, but Shruti is able to compress that pillow. That means that pillow is not a solid. Is pillow not a solid?
It is a solid.
A solid, but it has what? Air is trapped in it. Air is trapped in it. Please do understand the point. Though solids do not have compressibility, pillow is a solid, though it has compressibility, because air is trapped in it. Air is trapped in it. Okay, Shruti, thank you.
Thanks.
Right. Next, I go to Sahasra.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, Sahasra. So next, what are the things? Yeah, Sahasra.
Sir, I have balloon, a rubber band, and a syringe, as well as a spoon of salt and sugar balloon.
Okay, we go with the rubber band. Yeah, is it possible for you to switch on your video? If possible, fine. Yes, Sahasra. Every one of you, please do watch what Sahasra is doing. Please look at the rubber band. It is circular. It is circular. when she is applying pressure on it, right? When she drags it, you can see it is stretching. It is stretching. Now I have water bottle. I am also applying pressure. I am also dragging it to the both sides, but the bottle is not stretching it. So can I say rubber band is not a solid? Rubber band is not a solid. Please, others also do understand what I am saying. Is rubber band not a solid? Rubber band is a solid. Are you able to follow? Rubber band is a solid. It is a solid. Then why solids are stretching? Why solids are stretching? On releasing the pressure, again the rubber band comes to its original position. The rubber band comes to its original position. So rubber band, stretching of the rubber band is taking place due to the presence of elasticity. Yes, Sasra, you please apply the pressure. You drag it. Yes, you can see the rubber band is stretched. Now release it. Yes, you can see the rubber band has come to its original position. So this is what happened with the sponge or a pillow or a rubber band. Due to the elasticity nature present in the rubber band and due to the air trapped in the sponge and pillow, we can see the compression present in these examples. So generally solids do not have this compressibility, but these are the exceptions. They have compressibility. Is that clear to everybody? Generally solids do not have compressibility. Okay, solids do not have compressibility, but these are the few examples which has compressibility. Now, I want one of you to take the syringe B. Vishnupriya. B. Vishnupriya.
Sir.
B. Vishnupriya. Yes, ma'am. Now, please take the syringe. Please show the syringe to everyone.
Sir.
Okay, yes. Now, pull the piston backside. Pull the piston. Yes. Now, release the piston. Press it. Pull and push.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes. Now, she can able to do it freely, right? She can able to do it freely. She is pulling the piston and again pressing it. So why she can able to do it freely? Because when she pull the piston backside, what is present in the syringe? What is present in the syringe? What is present in the syringe, ma? Air is present. Now she can able to pull the piston, right? She can able to push the piston freely because air is present in it. Now Vishnupriya, get some water in the syringe.
1 minute, sir.
Water. Take some water in the syringe. Please understand the compressibility. Yeah, are you ready? Are you ready, Vishnupriya?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now she has taken water in the syringe. Now try to push the syringe, okay? And push the syringe safely, okay? Yeah. You can see she can able to do it, right? To compress the water. She can able to compress the water, but not freely like air. So air can be compressed to the large extent when compared to the water. See, there is a question. There is a question. Solid, liquid, gas. Among these three, which is having the great compressibility? Arrange the compressibility, arrange these things in the increasing order of their compressibility. Understood the question? Arrange these things in the increasing order of their compressibility. Solids do not have compressibility. Liquids do have a little bit compressibility. Gases, they have compressibility to the large extent. To the large extent. Now, in the syringe, if I place this chalk piece, she used air, she used water. Now, if I use chalk piece, when I place chalk piece in the syringe and I try to push the piston, is it possible to compress this chalk? No, I cannot compress this chalk by placing in the syringe and push it. Are you all able to follow? So that is the reason why we take the injection, the liquids. Okay, are you all able to follow about the compressibility in solids, liquids and gases? Solids, liquids and gases. Okay, don't worry if I am not calling your name, right? We have lot of activities to be done every day, right? We'll pick up 1 or 2 members, or depending upon the number of activities. Now, next thing I have asked you to get. So already 3 things are done. Sponge is done. Then the next one we did was the syringe was done, and also the rubber band. Next one, we'll go with the sugar. Okay, Niharika, N Niharika. N Niharika. Yeah, Shruti, you got a chance, so we'll go for the other person. N Niharika, if you don't want, we'll go with
Sir.
N Niharika. Are you ready? Someone is responding. Who is that? Okay, Niharika. N Niharika. Yes.
Sir.
N Niharika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it possible for you to on the video?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if possible, no problem. If not, we'll go for other. Yes. Okay, Niharika. Now, take a spoon, and in that spoon, please take some water.
1 minute.
Yeah. Again, you have taken the mute mode. Everybody else, right? Every one of you, please try the same thing. Not only she, right? Every one of you, please do the same thing what I am saying to Niharika. Okay?
Sir.
Whatever I am saying to Niharika, you also please do that. Right? Take a spoon and take a water. Now look at everybody. Now water is taking the shape of the spoon. Are you able to understand? Now water is taking the shape of the spoon. Now throw the water, Niharika. Yes. Now take sugar in it. Every one of you, please do the same thing. Now take sugar in it. Now don't throw the sugar, okay? You can have it. Yes, enough. Now every one of you, spoon, okay, and sugar. Now sugar is taking the shape of the spoon. Now tell me, liquids take the shape of the container, right? Isn't it? Liquids take the shape of the container. Now sugar is also taking the shape of the container. Sugar taking the shape of the packet, sugar taking the shape of the spoon, and sugar taking the shape of the another container. Now can I call sugar as a liquid? Did you understand what I said? Sugar also taking the shape of the containers. Now can I say sugar as a liquid? Are you all able to follow? Only Shrikar said
sir.
no. Yes, we cannot
No,
call
sir.
it liquid. Now Niharika, take some sugar
Sir.
crystals in your hand. Take some sugar crystals. Yes. Now show it to the camera. Everybody please take the sugar crystals in your hand. Everybody take the sugar crystal carefully. Each and every sugar crystal has a definite shape and a volume. Right? Each and every sugar crystal has a definite shape and a definite volume. That is the reason why we do not call sugar as a liquid. Is that clear to everybody? Each crystal
sir.
of the sugar, each crystal of the sugar has a definite shape and a volume. That is the reason why though sugar is taking the shape of the container, we are not calling it as a liquid. Thank you, Niharika.
Thanks, sir.
Next, the same explanation will be given by the salt. Okay. If anybody has a crystal salt or a normal salt also, no problem. Crystal salt or a fine powder salt. We'll go for the boys now. Dheeraj. 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 Are you unmuting this? No, okay. Dheeraj, are you ready? Then unmute. You're not responding. Okay. We'll go for Srikar. Srikar. Srikar not responding. Okay. Snehit. Snehit. No, you're not responding. Okay. When you come to school, you'll come to me for doubt. Then also I'll not respond. Okay. Very good. Yes, Vishnu Priya is with crystal. Okay. Crystal salt. Very good. Manideep, are you ready? Manideep. Manideep. No, not ready. Yeah, he is again muted. Okay, Vishnu Priya. Still any others are ready? Already Vishnu Priya got a chance. If any others are ready, we'll go for them. Right? Already she is ready with the crystal salt and the free flowing salt. She is very energetic. Yes, Hasini. Okay, Hasini, we'll come to you. As boys are not responding, we'll go for girls itself. Yes, Hasini. Okay, I'll give chance. Vishnu Priya, thank you so much.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Vishnu Priya, you can unmute. Yes. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
If possible, switch on video. If not, okay, no problem. Others also, please do follow the instructions. Okay, sir, I want to do. I'm responding. Okay, Santosh, get ready with the balloon. Okay, the next opportunity will be for you, Santosh. Okay, Hasini, yes. Now the same explanation for the sugar. Now Hasini has a spoon in that. There is a salt. Is it a crystal salt or a free flowing salt?
It is free flowing salt, sir.
No problem. Now, if you look at the salt, salt is taking the shape of the spoon, right? Salt is taking the shape of the container packet. Now, salt is taking the shape of the jar. Now, when the liquids are taking the shape of the containers, now salt is also taking the shape of the container. Yesterday, if you remember, I told a statement about the liquids, which are called as the fluids. Put it in the response. Put it in the chat box. Which are called as a fluid.
The liquids which flow are called fluids, sir.
Exactly right. The substance which flow easily, Now, though sugar, salt are taking shapes of the container, are they flowing like water? Are they
No,
flowing like
sir.
water? No. Right? So though they take the shape of the container, they are not flowing like liquids. Hence, these are not considered as a liquids. Salt is taking the shape of the container. Salt is taking shape of the spoon or the jar. Right? Though it is taking shape of the container, it is not considered as a liquid because it does not flow easily. It does not flow easily. Thank you, Hasini. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Yes, next one, Santosh, I would have given a chance if you have a balloon. Okay, any other boy, if they have balloon, please respond in the chat box. We'll go for him. We have very less time now. Please respond. If any other boy has balloon, respond. If not, we'll go for girls. Srikar, sir, I don't have balloon. Yeah, Srikar, I'm not going to answer for you because I asked you to unmute, you did not unmute. So you'll come to school, Gada, for doubt. Then I'll say I am on mute. Okay, I am on mute. I'll not respond for you. See how the girls are responding. They are ready with all the materials. See, Shruti is ready, Vishnu Priya is ready. Yeah, I want an inflated balloon, not the air blown balloon. Just remove the air. Just remove the air. Okay. Yes, very good, girls, very good. Now remove the air. You blow the air into the balloon. How much you can do it? Okay. To blow the air to the balloon to the large extent. Let it break. See, while you are blowing the air, you understand one thing, that you are compressing air into the balloon. You are performing an activity of compressibility. Okay, everybody, right? Bhavani or Sahasra, right? Everybody, right? Those who said you have balloon, you start blowing the air into the balloon and understand that you are doing one of the property, that is compressibility. You are doing the activity called what? Compressibility. See how much air you can fill in it. Check it. Yes, Sahasra, you did a bigger one than the earlier, right? Even Shruti, Vishnu Priya, very good. See, you could able to compress gas into the balloon to the larger extent, right? If you blow air more, the balloon is going to definitely get a blast, right? So have you understood compressibility? So this is what going to happen in the LPG cylinders, CNG cylinders and carbon dioxide cylinders, which is used to put off the flame, right? Thank you so much for participating in this activity, Shruti, Vishnu Priya, Sahasra and the other Bhavani. Sai Bhavani, you did that activity? Did you do that activity? Sai Bhavani, yes, very good, right? So you have understood now how air is compressible to the balloon to the large extent, right? You are able to compress air, you are able to compress liquid, but we are unable to compress solid because all the particles in the solid are tightly packed. All the particles in the solid are tightly packed. That is the reason why you are unable to compress solid. Liquids you are able to compress because there is a gap present between the particles. Gas you can able to compress to the large extent because the particles are freely scattered. Okay, freely scattered. So that is the reason why you are able to compress. So in this class, we have gone through the 6 examples. One is a balloon, then syringe, rubber band, salt, sugar, and sponge, pillow. Right? To understand compressibility, and to understand few exceptions, that though sugar and salt are taking the shape of the liquids, they are not considered as the liquids because liquids have a property called free flowing nature. Liquids are fluids. Liquids are called as what? Fluids. But sugar and salt are not called as fluids, right? Though the sponge can be compressed, though the rubber band can be stretched, right? We are not calling it as a liquid or a gas because they have elasticity nature. Because it has what? Elasticity nature, and when compressibility is released, its original shape is retained. Kada original shape anedi malli vachestadi once the pressure is released. And the second important thing is air is trapped in it. Air is trapped in it. So that is the reason why I am able to compress it. Right? For example, this is used to remove the water from the tanks. Right? We use generally to clean the tanks and for example. What I am going to do? I am going to dip it. So water is going to absorb and again take it out, squeeze it. Take it out, squeeze it. So how water is entering the sponge? Water entering the sponge into the gaps. Where are the gaps present in the sponge? There the water enters. And then you squeeze it out, the water comes out. And again the air is back in the sponge. Okay? So this is all about the topic activity 3 compressibility, and you have think and discuss. Those who have textbook, in that you have think and discuss. Very, very important, right? If you do not have textbook, please download the textbook app. No need to buy as of now. Understood? You have textbook app, please download them and use it for your reference purpose. Okay, so think and discuss. Now coming to tomorrow's work, tomorrow's class. Do we have class tomorrow? Just check out 9A, Friday. So Friday we do not have class. On Saturday we have class. Okay, dear students, on Saturday we have class. For Saturday, please remember, I am going to give chance for the students, those who did not get chance today. But if you do not respond, I don't have any option. I have to give chance again to the chance you got today, right? Repeated. So whether you get a chance or not, you have to be ready with all these things because you need to do it and understand. So please make a note of all the things that I am saying. Incense stick, agarbatti, incense stick. Okay, I hope every one of you are making a note of it. Incense stick or a deodorant spray, perfume, deodorant spray. Okay, any of these two things, no problem. If you have an incense stick, fine. If not, any perfume, right? Don't take hit this coconut. Don't take hit. Okay, then next, glass, glass jar, not the stainless steel glass, the transparent glass. Okay, transparent glass. Juice poyడానికి glass వాడతాం కదా, transparent glass. Okay, a transparent glass, water, transparent glass, water. If you have Ujala, that is good. Ujala liquid. Okay, Ujala. And then if you do not have Ujala, go for the ink, red ink or blue ink. Ink aina sir. Okay. Orange food colors. Food color, liquid. ఏవి కొనకండి, ఇంట్లో ఉన్నవే వాడాలి అంతే. అర్థమైందా? No need to go and buy in the shops, right? Don't spend money for any cause. Okay. And if you have food colors, fine. If not, Ujala. If not, ink. Any of this. I want a liquid color. Okay. Then next, okay, enough. These things are enough, right? Let me put it in the chat box. You need to have incense stick. Incense stick or a perfume spray, deodorant or anything. Perfume spray, or else you can take glass, not stainless steel. Okay, glass, water, ink, or food color. color or ujala. Okay, anything. So if you have incense stick, glass, water and ink, that is enough. Okay, that is enough. So acrylic colors ante, what is this acrylic colors? Is it in a liquid form? Is it a liquid? If it is a liquid, we can show it in a is painting colors. Okay, painting colors. Are they liquids? If it is a liquid, you can go for the liquid, no problem. I just want any colored liquid to understand the diffusion property. So boys, get ready. Only one fellow responded. Yeah, okay, Shruti. Yeah, that is what the liquid. Okay. No problem. You can take it. Only one boy responded, others remained silent. Okay, so get ready with all these things and we'll go for the diffusion, that is activity 4, activity 5 and activity 6. Activity 4, 5 and 6 will be discussed on Friday's class. Okay, tomorrow, on Friday we do not have class. So whenever we get the class, right? So please get ready with these things. Okay, so we're gonna study activity 4, 5 and 6. Is that clear? So try to participate in all the activities. See, if you were present physically, we would have done all these things in the classroom itself. But though you are in the online classes, right? You should experience all these activities to understand. Even it is a small concept, at least, right? So thank you so much for everyone those who have joined the class. I can see 24. That means 23 students are here. Okay. 22 students are present, so that's very good.